Okay, so now that you're done with the 3 boxes, I wanted to have you try doing a value scale before you go on to that final project. So what I want you to do is just to flip the paper over, and we are going to take your ruler, and anywhere on your piece of paper, it doesn't matter. We're just going to draw a line across like this. And a value scale is going to show you the lightness and the darkness of a color. And I want you to be able to get about 10 different values across this entire strip, because you're going to want to use about 10 different values when you're doing your final project. So you'll label this side dark and this side light. And then you're going to be starting to do the shading part of it. So I'm going to start over here where it's really dark, and I'm basically just going to be adjusting the pressure, getting lighter and lighter pressure as I come over here until it's completely light. When you're doing your shading, you want to use the pencil and hold it like this so that you're using the side of the lead. If you hold it like you're going to write something, you're going to get a much sharper edge, and it's going to be a little bit harder to blend it together. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to push down really, really hard. And again, I want to go about 10 different values all the way to the other side. So I'm going to fill in a nice dark just by layering over, and then I'm going to start to lightly lighten my pressure. It's still going to be fairly dark. You shouldn't see any specific like stripes or definite lines in between. So it's a gradual change. And now I'm really starting to lighten up the pressure. Until I get it all the way over to it being very, very light. So value is the lightness or darkness of a color. All right, so this is going to be your second rough draft, and I want you to do this before you start the actual 2-point perspective island house. All right.